Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye, and welcome to my channel. Y'all, I went back to the fossil store, and guess what? They had the purse that I had my eye on the first time, and it was the last one and on clearance, so I got it. I think this is such a cute pattern and color from Fossil. I don't even know what it's called. I just saw the leather patchwork on it and thought it was so pretty. And it's a good size bag. It would probably be considered a north-south bag, but it is a hobo. Let's see. It's called the Jolie Hobo Brown Patchwork is what it's called. And I did not pay that price, as you all know. I don't like retail prices. But it was really marked down, and since it was the last one, I did get additional off as well. So I thought that that was very nice of the sales associate. But let's take a look inside, and I'll bring it closer because it may be far away so that you all can see all of the detail in this leather design. Y'all, people sleep on Fossil, but Fossil has some pretty bags. It does not have feet, so this was an exception. A lot of hobos, I would probably say, don't have feet, but this one definitely an exception was made for it. Close up of the strap. And the hardware as well. Beautiful bag. So let's look inside. It opens up pretty good. It does have a longer leather strap. Not sure if it's long enough for a crossbody, but it'll definitely be a longer drop than the strap that's attached to it here. And y'all, if y'all could comment below, let me know. Again, if you have any Fossil bags, if you're a fan or you're not a fan, why you are a fan and why you would not be a fan if that's the case. Because I don't really hear too much about Fossil, but I know from experience that they have good quality bags. So this is the inside, y'all. This is a deep purse. It does have 2 slip pockets on. It's not really a front or back to the purse, so I'll just say on that side. And then on this other side, it does have a zipper pocket. It goes midway to the bag. It does come with a 1-year warranty, I believe. If it's not lifetime, I think it's 1 year. So they do input your information in the system when you order it, so that way you can bring it back into the store if you need any repairs made on it. It does have the Fossil leather patch stitch there. And I am going to go ahead and detach the strap. And take a look at it. And it does have Fossil here on the side. If you can see that embossment there. And it's usually just on one side. Yes, just on one side. So let's see this strap. I wouldn't say crossbody necessarily, since it's a large bag. I would probably just say a longer drop on it. Just if I put this on the bag itself, Yeah, that's like a longer way to carry it. I don't think it would be or could be this. I don't think this strap is long enough to be a crossbody strap. So y'all, not only was I able to grab the bag, this beautiful bag, but I was also able to grab another piece, and it's standing up pretty good by itself. Let me get it out the bag and move the bag out of the way. I was able to get the matching wallet, you all. This made it even more enticing to go ahead and get the set, because I already knew that I liked the purse and the design of it. Excuse me, but to see the wallet with it, that added to it even more. Looks like there's some glue that's coming off. There we go. So let's take a look inside. You already see the exterior zipper pocket on the back. And that has a slip pocket in front of that. My favorite silhouette, y'all, a zipper brown. So this is called an RFID Logan Zip Patchwork Wallet. This was also really on clearance as well. So it has a slip pocket here, and 1, 2, 3, so 6 card slots on that side. Divider, zipper pocket. And then it has another 6 card slots on this side with another slip pocket behind the cards. So, not a bad wallet at all. Very nice quality, like I said. And a beautiful set. I don't want to zip. Oh, I already did zip it up in there. So, let me give you a shot of it there together, and then I'm going to do the measurements on it. Isn't that cute, y'all? There we go. Full set shot. Very pretty. So let me measure it so you can get a better idea of the size of this bag. And I'm at the wrong end of my cord. You all, if you are not subscribed and you like my content, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are made aware each time I upload a video. And thank you so much to my returning viewers and subscribers as well. I really do appreciate it. So the height from the center to the top, it is giving about 12 inches. So you're already at a foot high. And then the width or length of the bag, from just the stitching, it's at about 13. And then if I measure the base, which is a little bit shorter than the top, maybe I should just measure the top. The base is going to give you closer to maybe 11 before it kind of goes up on the sides. But across the top, it is across the top, that's easily 13 inches there. So again, y'all, this is a good size bag, very pretty. It does give me fall, winter vibes, I guess because of the linen fabric in the background. But the color itself is bright enough to where I feel like it could be carried in any season. But that's it, y'all. I think this is a beautiful bag. Let me know if you all like it, if you've seen it before, and if you have, again, any fossil pieces or plan to visit the fossil store anytime soon, or if you've recently visited the fossil store and what your thoughts are on the brand itself as well as their products, because I don't think you can go wrong with Fossil. Beautiful leather goods with matching wallets and a variety of silhouettes. So thank you all so much for watching, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. And as always, have a very wonderful day.